Alright guys, so in today's tutorial we're going to be looking at on how to use SkySpoofer in general, and also, kind of the update you guys just all been waiting for. This is definitely a major improvement, and it's definitely something that we're going to be taking a look at. So let's get right into it. This will be also kind of show you how to use the free trial system, and with that being said, spoofing for Fortnite, kind of like a general aspect of it. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the first thing that you guys are going to want to be doing is going down to our website, which you guys can find really anywhere, to be honest with you. Obviously it's going to be on our channel, but you guys can go ahead and just search up literally SkySpoofer. We're going to be the first verified company to show up. So yeah, this is an incorporated company and we are registered. So you could just go ahead and click on our website or go to SkySpoofer.com. Now I'm going to kind of show you the process starting from beginning. So usually if you're a new customer, you would go through the website and whatnot, and kind of take a look at the website. Here's our pricing, so you can go based off of our durations. Today I'm going to be using the free trial, which you can redeem right here. But if you would like a subscription, you could just click from one of the various options that we have. But today we're going to be looking at the free trial, and you want to click redeem free trial. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and you would like to create an account because you're a new user. So on this page, you're just going to enter your email, password, and just like some personal details, nothing too crazy. And then you can go ahead and create an account. So I'm going to fill this out, and then after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and then unpause the video. So once you guys have filled out the information, what you guys are going to want to do is just click the verify you are a human. You're going to get a nice success message here, and you're just going to press create account. Once your registration is successful, it's going to bring you to login. You're just going to want to type in your account details and press login. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to notice that you have a upgrade to pro, which will pretty much lead you to buying. But what we would like to do for today's video is click on free trial, which you can find right here, or you can find right up here. And then we do have user notifications, so we do allow free trials reoccurringly. So once your free trial is enabled again, after a certain amount of duration, you guys can go ahead and redeem again. So keep out for updates and stuff like that, so every time you guys use your free trial, you can then keep updated with everything. But we're gonna click free trial again, click redeem free trial, fetch status, and then as you can see, I'm eligible. And you just want to click link Discord account. And no, this will not add you to servers. This bot is just solely for authentication purposes, so you don't gotta worry about it adding to you like random servers and stuff like that. So on your Discord account, you can see Sky Free Trials, and you're just gonna want to click authorize for that. And then Discord will say connected. Then on the website, you should see it like kind of refresh automatically, saying Discord integration, Discord account linked, and then all you do is just click the free human verification. Just can't spam. If you press skip for now, it'll cancel everything. If you click activate, then it'll activate the subscription. So if we activate it, as you can see, it's been successfully activated. Free trial activated. We have automatically logged you out. Apply your free trial. Please log back in to access your trial features. So click OK, login. So we're going to just type it in our account info again. Login. And as you can see, we now have an active subscription on the account. And yes, this is a paid version of our software that you guys will have access to for completely free. And yes, you guys will be able to get unbanned from Fortnite with this. And depending on the games, you can get unbanned with it. It's mostly EAC and BE games, just beware. For other anti-cheats that we support, it will not work. We have dedicated profiles and subscriptions for games. So, but after doing so, you could choose from various of the quick options like license or hardware or whatever. I will go to license to kind of show you that the subscription has been activated. So as you can see, it's a 24-hour subscription that you guys will be redeemed. So you guys will have it for one whole day. So it should give you enough time to kind of try it out, make sure you don't blue screen and so on. You can go ahead and click download now. You're going to want to put in your downloads folder. It's going to download right up here. Make sure you guys do have WinRAR installed, by the way. So it says not supported, by the way, 24H2. In our newest update, we are in beta testing for 24H2. Just beware. Which this will be updated on our website shortly. Once you have gone ahead and downloaded the software, you want to go to your downloads folder. and you want to extract this into your downloads folder, or wherever where you would like the software to be downloaded, desktop or wherever. Everything works. Go ahead and open it. Go back to website. Now you're gonna notice that we have HWID guides, but we also have a tools section. If you're trying to get unbanned from Fortnite, we do recommend using our cleaner. So go ahead and use our cleaner beforehand, before going ahead and spoofing and everything. Use the cleaner, download it, and just open it, and then restart your computer, and then go ahead and load the spoofer. It kind of like, it's very basic. You just open it up, does everything for you, and then you restart your computer. But in today's tutorial, I'm not going to be running it, as there's just no reason for me to be running it. Also, I'm on a fresh Windows reinstall, so we're going to go to hardware. And you're going to see scanning system, so it's going to be waiting to look for the loader. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And you'll notice as soon as I open up this loader, and as you can see, we're a verified publisher. As soon as we open it, it's going to automatically update the website. Also, if you guys are new to like a new Windows reinstall, you guys will want to click allow on that, just letting you guys know. Or else you guys will have errors like that. So just make sure to click allow if that does pop up, and click the retry button. And as you can see, it's now loading. So when it gets to this part, it's going to be authenticating you and logging you into the loader. And this is an all automated system that does almost everything for you. If you're spoofing for Ricochet or Vanguard, there's only like one manual step that's required, which would be like reinstalling Windows and just loading into a USB, and that's it. So very simple stuff. If you're not too computer, knowledge, we do have a support team dedicated to helping you. We do offer like team view and stuff like that to help you do that. So your mouse will freeze for a few seconds, not too crazy, once you're loaded in, so just beware. So yeah, once you're in this screen, you're going to see that it says unknown. Now this depends, it's just a little bug. It just depends on the system. Works for some not, but you could just click scan hardware and it'll then update it. But yeah, so for this, what we can go ahead and do is we can click the subscription that you have, which would obviously, now you can have multiple subscriptions on each account. We have obviously 3 subscriptions. So if you, for example, buy permanent, but you still have your temp subscription, you can choose in between what one you want to use. But in today's video, we're going to be using normal. As you can see, these are locked. So we're going to click other. This is for like EAC and BattleEye and like some other anti-cheats. So we're going to click this. Then we're going to go over to just use the basic configs. I'm just going to disable registry because I don't want my registry messed with, because I got some custom files that I want to keep. So we're not going to spoof registry, but everything else would be spoofed. And then all you want to do is just click apply changes. You're going to get this screen, and you basically just wait. Just let it go through your system. It'll do everything for you. It's very fast. It usually doesn't take longer than like 30 seconds. So once the spoofing is complete, it's going to show up the screen saying spoofing complete, 100%. What you're going to want to do is just click continue. Your serials will automatically refresh, and you can see your updated serials right here. Now I'm going to be using, as you can see, my RAM is now set to SkySpoof, but we are now going to be showing you like a full thing, diagnostics of what it's spoofed. Obviously GPMR won't be spoofed, but like everything else will. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Now the HWID checker I'm going to be using, you guys can find either on GitHub or wherever you prefer. I'm going to be downloading the one from our Discord, which you guys can get by linking your account, which I'll show you in a minute. So if you guys would like to download files in our Discord, like Windows activation tools and stuff like that, you guys can go down to your profile. It's going to show your personal details here, beware, like your full name and whatnot. And you can also manage your free trial in here as well if you would like, and stuff like that. But if you would like customer role in our Discord, you just go right here and get customer role. This will link your account to a different authentication system that will then verify you in the Discord and everything like that, verify your subscription, and then you'll be able to download like some cool stuff in our Discord that we supply you guys for free. I'm just going to go ahead and log out, close Chrome since we're not going to need it, and I now got the HWID checkers that we're now going to open. So as you guys can see, my MAC addresses are spoofed. They're all canceled out. My disk drive is completely changed. As you can see, our CPU is changed, our BIOS is changed, our motherboard is changed, and Here's the one thing that we do that's a little bit specialized to what we do is that we spoof your system to a very unique system. So if your system is MSI, we will spoof you to a real MSI machine. We will spoof you to realistic serials that are completely realistic to your manufacturer. So it's completely OEM spoofing. So tournaments supported. You'll never have really any flags within games because also the serials are set to the exact length and everything to the same as in your memory is in the SM BIOS table. So, you know, you'll never have really any issues when it comes to that. We also don't replace the whole serial. We replace certain parts of it to still continue again with the OEM manufactured serials, and then also with that also being unique with it where they can't still trace your original serials. So yeah, so that's like one of the key features that we also do within our drivers that are very unique from the rest. So I'm going to click enter again, which then allows us to see more information based on the system. Secure boot will show like this if it's disabled. We do have secure boot spoofing, which is another unique feature that other spoofers do not have. Our secure boot spoofing will show like something here if you use our secure boot spoofing, which will come with our premium packages like per minute and 10 plus. Okay, so as you get kind of same information here. As you can see, my UUID is also changed. RAM is obviously changed. With RAM, we set the SkySpoofer, kind of like a confirmation that it is changed. Monitor also will not be spoofed for you guys. It is for me. Or I think my WMI is just glitched for access denied. So don't kind of worry about this. But if you do have the premium package, this will be spoofed. GPU, I can see, is not spoofed because we do, again, don't have access to that on this description. But as you can see, our MAC addresses, no matter where you try and grab your MAC addresses, they are completely spoofed. And if you guys would like ARP spoofing and TPM spoofing and so on, you can buy one of our premium packages, which we have 40% off as of now. So you guys could go ahead and purchase one of our premium packages for like really cheap. So I feel like it's definitely one of your chances to get one of our premium packages, especially a permit, as it's so cheap. So as you guys can see, you guys could join our Discord if you'd like. We have lots of customers in here that will help you and stuff like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is our newest update, and let us know your feedback on how you guys like it, and this will also kind of show you how to use the spoofer itself. So hope you guys enjoyed and have an amazing day. Happy New Year's.